Hisense 55H90 55-inch 4K Android TV. Hisense may not have a brand recognition of competitors like Sony, LG and Samsung, but they have begun to establish themselves as an excellent affordable alternatives. They offer televisions in a variety of screen sizes and resolutions, ranging from 72p standard HD for bedroom or playroom TVs to 4K UHD for main living room and home theaters. You can choose between having an Android TV operating system or the Roku platform to give you access to all of your favorite streaming apps. Though models with Android TV tend to have more features like screen mirroring, native voice control, and upscaling of non-4K content. No matter your entertainment needs or budget, there is a Hisense model to fit. Introducing the H90 from Hisense, which is the best the brand has to offer. It features a proprietary ULED panel with 132 local timing zones to give you deep, inky black for enhanced contrasting as well as Dolby Vision HDR support for better detailing and color ranges. Along with stunning 4K UHD resolution, the TV produces up to 1000 nits of brightness, meaning you can watch your favorite shows and movies in all but the very brightest of rooms. It's powered by an updated high-view chipset that uses AI-assisted scene recognition to automatically optimize picture settings for the best viewing experience possible. With an Android TV operating system, you will get access to thousands of streaming apps like Hulu, Prime Video, and Netflix right out of the box. The voice-enabled remote, the Google Assistant built-in, and is compatible with Alexa for hands-free control over your television. It also is capable of far-field voice control, so you don't have to actually hold your remote to use voice commands. The 10-watt speakers utilize Dolby Atmos audio technology to give you virtually surround sound, and the Bluetooth connectivity. You can wirelessly connect soundbars and subwoofers for a custom home theater setup. This TV has all the versatile features you look for in a TV. So don't wait up and get yourself this TV for max entertainment and cinematic experience in home. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link given on the description below.